Yeah, first of all glory to God and the credit also to the other team. Going into this game, we know Rain or Shine likes to run. They know they're an offensive-minded team, not taking anything away on the defense. They are number 2 sa scoring, 108 from Sir Fidel. We were able to limit them at 96, tapos yung fast break points nila. Somehow, medyo ahead din kami. But we have to ask first kung bakit kami down, I think 17 points in the first quarter. At least okay naman, nakabalik kami, which is really a grind out. Medyo mahirap yung match-upan yung ano nila, yung one-on-one. We know we have to be better on our one-on-one defense. Their fast break attacks, medyo nasaktan din kami sa post-up. So it took a lot of our energy, it took the whole team para ma-stop sila. Kasi alam namin, one-to-one talaga mahirapan kami. And dinala kami sa sa takbuhan, pati dun sa ilalim. It's just nice na kahit papaano nakakuha kami naibalik namin yung na-gain namin yung momentum ulit. Somewhere in the second, late first. And yun, na-limit namin sila to below 100. So, apart from the win, which is really nice, we won this with defense. Late in the season, maka-advance man kami sa playoffs, alam namin kailangan gumaling kami sa depensa. So yeah, it's just nice na naipanalo namin to with our defense.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Alex, you were limited to just 4 points at the half and then took over in the fourth quarter. If you could just talk us through that switch or change in the approach, also considering how the last game was played out in
First of all, I just want to give a shout out to my teammates, especially for JL. He played really well for us coming off the bench. But all glory to God. For me personally, I played really bad. I played awful the last game, and especially down the stretch, I wasn't able to give my team a chance. So I wanted to make sure I bounced back this game, and starting off really bad as well. So just wanted to make sure I'm able to bounce back and give my team a chance to win. That's pretty much it.
We're now ready for the questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, with this win, umangat kayo sa second place, 7-3. And very crucial win considering sa gitna.
Dikit.
Dikit eh.
Yeah. Meron pang we still have 2 games. Tapos if I remember it right, yung mga ibang teams may mga 6, parang Toketex yata may 5 games, 6 games pa rin. So I mean, it's our goal na makapasok sa playoffs, and hopefully kung mabiyayaan pa makuha namin yung top 2. Pero at the end of the day, marami pa pwede mangyari. So before this game, concentrate lang namin itong Rain or Shine. After today, we have our last 2 games, Blackwater and San Miguel. Blackwater na muna. Titignan namin kasi hindi pa rin, mahirap pa rin i-predict dahil yung ibang teams nga marami pang games. So we will just control kung ano yung makakontrol namin. But kunin namin yung momentum going into the playoffs na hopefully naman maka-advance kami sa playoffs, and medyo na kami sa first round Hopefully maka-advance kami beyond the first round. But yun na nga, yung mga lessons na nakuha namin from last game, closing out the game, itong game na to, playing with team defense, hopefully ma-carry over namin yung mga lessons na yun, bring it to the playoffs.
Alex, in that fourth quarter, you were in the group, you were making shots. You mentioned that you were eager to bounce back on your last game. But how about those shots you made to finish off in your share?
I'm just grateful to have these coaches, Coach Franco, Coach Charles, Coach Willie. They give their trust in me, so I just want to give back to them. They put me there to close the game out, and I just want to make sure I do the job for them.
What do you think happened sa first quarter when you fell behind early, and then what was happened in the second quarter that enabled you to make a comeback at 30 points in the second quarter?
Oo nga, nabaliktad yung score. It was 17-30 tapos 30-17 naman. We know what they like to do kasi paulit-ulit nga kami na Yung almost 40 to 50% ng total score na nagagaling sa takbuhan eh. And one-on-one. So, pero that knowing it coming into the game, medyo nasaktan pa. Talagang nasaktan kami. At one point, I think we were down by 17. So, yun lang. There's nothing else you can do but to adjust. There's nothing else you can do but to compete. It's just nice na we find it in ourselves somehow sa mga sarili namin. Then we just played off each other's strength. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Umbaga, if you're going to a challenge, if you're going to a tough time, tough stretch, balik kayo dun to what you do best as a team. Defense as a team, execute as a team. Then hopefully ma-arrest namin, which nangyari nung second quarter, which is really nice. And coming into that third quarter, halftime, medyo nakakuha kami ng buwelo. 6 of our guys finished with double digits, and then 3 others 7 and 6. So it says a lot. Kumbaga yung toughness na yun, hopefully the young team that we are, talagang makuha namin yung toughness, makuha namin yung resiliency. Even if you are down, talagang babalik ka sa team.
Coach, ang tingin mo sa schedule nyo na 2 games in parang tapos may long break ata na maghihintay kayo kung sino
Doon sa
anong
oo.
anong sabi sa schedule nyo?
Well, okay lang kasi nung una naman parang 4 games kami, dalawang 4 games kami in 8 days or 9 days if I'm not mistaken. So etong 2 games in 4 days, medyo okay na lang to sa amin. Pagdating din, kung mapalad man kami na makarating sa playoffs, ganoon din naman schedule every other day eh. So, maganda na rin na nasusubukan namin to. Maganda na rin na natetest yung players namin, kami as coaches na paano mag-prepare ng quick turnaround. Okay na rin yun. At least pagdating mo dun sa playoffs where it matters the most, medyo hindi na kami maninibago. You have to go through that. Mahirap talaga yung sport, mahirap yung competition, maraming factors. Pero at the end of the day, kailangan mo pa rin pagdaanan yun eh. And doon ka titibay. Kung nahihirapan ka, doon ka titibay. Doon ka maniniwala.
Coach, I wanted to ask lang about your players because Justin got hurt sa the first quarter, and then Chick is also nursing a fever.
Yeah.
So, but both of them chose to soldier on in this game. If you could just comment about the character, the attitude that they displayed, and the dedication to the team.
Si CD was coming into this game, medyo may bump stomach. So we asked him kung okay siya. Okay naman daw siya, he will play through it. Pero if you see, yung umpisa niya medyo lackluster eh. Justin was, I think nagkaroon ng contact, I just don't know from who, from Noah Kumba or Clarito, I'm not really sure. Pero natamaan yung bandang shin area niya, nagta-tight daw. But he played on, may a couple of times nagwawobble siya eh. Again, siguro part yun ng mga grueling schedule, part yun ng mga games na medyo down kami, part yun nung talo nung last game against Talk and Text na kahit mahirap, wala ka namang choice. Kailangan, kung gusto mong manalo, you have to do that sacrifice. And masaya kami for that kasi tinanong ko nga si CD, do you want to sit out? No good, I'm coach. I'm good. I'll go on. I will play. So, yun, si Justin din, ganoon din, tinanong namin kung magpapalabas siya, okay naman daw siya, he will manage it. And I give credit to our sportsmen, medyo malaki rin yung ambag nila eh. CD coming in, talagang kinrate nila. Justin, ganoon din. I think there's one other guy, a couple more guys na pag lumalabas. I mean, si Alec dito, towards the end, kaya medyo maano pa to sa endgame because of those guys. Yung mga unsung heroes namin, they're one of the best, I believe, dito sa Liga on how they take care of our players.
With that, we end our post-game press conference.